Hi guys, for our science experiment, you're gonna need an old Ziploc bag, blue food coloring, and just a marker. So the first thing we're gonna do is draw the water cycle on our bag with our marker. I'll do it first and then you guys can just copy mine after. Okay guys, so here's my bag that I drew on. So you have the water at the bottom, says evaporation. Don't forget the sun. Then you have the little particles and the condensation clouds, and then the rain for precipitation. So the next thing we're gonna do is fill up the bag to with water to the water line, and watch what happens next. Okay, guys, I filled the bag up with water. You see up to the water line. So now I'm gonna get the blue food coloring and just squirt a few drops in there. It's not opening. And then to make the water blue so it really looks like the ocean. And don't forget to close the bag tight so it doesn't spill. Please. And look, you made your own water cycle.